Welcome to today's tutorial on how to install Bluestacks, the popular Android emulator that allows you to run Android apps on your Windows or Mac computer. We are first going to visit the official Bluestacks website. Once on the website, locate and click on the Download Bluestacks. After the download is complete, locate the installer file and double-click on it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the installation settings. You can choose the installation location, adjust the amount of RAM allocated to Bluestacks, and customize other settings based on your preferences. Click on the Install Now button to initiate the installation process. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, click on the Complete button to launch Bluestacks. Bluestacks is now successfully installed on your computer and ready to use. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave any questions or comments below.